Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight into Network and Internet. This gets you to the exact controls you need. Once there, choose Advanced Network Settings so you can inspect adapters and connections. You must confirm which Wi-Fi adapter is active and note the SSID of the network whose password you need. This first step locates the exact device and profile so you won't guess or export the wrong credentials. Now you're ready to reveal the saved key safely. Next, open More Network Adapter options and right-click the adapter tied to your SSID, choose Status, then Wireless Properties to access the stored profile details. In the Wireless Properties window, switch to the Security tab where the Network Security Key field is hidden by default. Make sure you have administrator access because revealing the key requires it. If prompted, approve the elevation. This step directly exposes the saved password entry, so you can reveal it without third-party tools. Finally, tick Show Characters in the Security tab to display the saved Wi-Fi password. Copy it securely and close settings when done. If the option is disabled or you lack GUI access, open an elevated command prompt as administrator and run netwlan show profiles to list SSIDs, then netwlan show profile, your SSID key equals clear to reveal the key. If nothing appears, make sure you're using an account with admin rights, and that the profile actually stores a key rather than.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.